Good morning, Wonder Women of the world. Today is week 1, day 4 of the Summer of Code. And during the teaser, I will go through today's table of contents and make 3 announcements. This is Ilona Budapesti, Chief Storyteller of 1 Million Women to Tech and President of Oxford Entrepreneurs. Welcome. Stay for the announcements if you are mentor as well, because we have some interesting opportunities for you. Well done, everybody. So far, we have covered numbers, letters, and control flow. And today, on day 4, in Intro to Python, we will be practicing looping with a little bit of logic and exercises, as well as lists, which is very Python specific. So we're deviating a little bit now from the Ruby book, Learn to Code. We will work on looping within lists, list comprehensions, which is very Python flavored. We'll look at list methods and exercises. And the most exciting part, which you really need for the Content Encounter Hackathon Challenge, is today you will learn how to write your own methods. We will speak about method parameters, local variables, return values, and we'll finish again with exercises. Now for the announcements. So if you are a Gold or VIP member, then you have access to the support button here inside your membership. And we created a new section within the support help desk that says upload file for certification until we automate the GitHub connection for you to the private repo. This is very nice because it's fairly easy. You log in and you create a help desk ticket that you're familiar with. You fill out your name, your details, and then you choose upload file for certification. You can send us a nice message, and then this way there will be a timestamp and your file within there. Please use the appropriate file naming convention. So include SOC, the week number. So in this case, it would be SOC01-cert-firstname-lastname.py. So this way you can send it. If you're a Gold or VIP member, there is no deadline in the sense that you can submit it anytime during the first 12 months since you signed up. But if you would like to receive your feedback faster, then you're welcome to submit any time. We ask that you submit a week's worth of code at a time. So all of the things to try should go into 1 week PY, long PY. Excellent. Now, if you are, the second announcement is for mentors. We have now a technology team headed up by Kasia Chena-Pietrak and Karolina Jaworska, and they will be putting together advanced coders as well as mentors to help us within the 1 Million Women to Tech team to build more technology. And one of the first things we would really need help with quickly is to somehow connect the signups from the Gold and VIP memberships to the GitHub access so that people can have access to the private repo called SOC Cert, which is for the certifications. This way we can make sure that those who are eligible for the certification have access to this private repo and they can push their code there. So if you are familiar with how to do this in GitHub, please, we will put this a channel link into the mentors channel, and please help us automate this. And finally, the third announcement is I am looking for WordPress wizards. I'm hiding here behind the behind the logo. Here behind our logo. So we have noticed that some self-organization has happened within the do-it-yourself community, and this is wonderful. You know, it's so beautiful to see strong women, kind women who step up and organize country by country groups. However, 2 women came to me at Oxford and were very cautious and said, Ilona, you know, if some of these groups in the future might have a problem, let's say a member has a bad experience, you know, it's possible that the whole project and the whole movement could be at risk. So what we're trying to do is, Kartra is good to share information, but it's not interactive enough, and we would like to set up a more community-specific WordPress site, which you see the making of. So some of it is already started, but we need some expert WordPress administrators who can help us complete this so that everybody can have their own profile. We can have country by country groups. All the courses can be transferred over here, and that different membership levels can be easily separated. So for example, the Intro to Python can be moved over here. And the benefit to everybody is that this way you can also track your completion rates. You can have a forum attached to each course. You know which members are taking it. And hopefully this will facilitate a safe environment, an official environment where locals can find each other if they choose, but we can have community guidelines. So I'm looking for expert WordPress users and administrators. Again, there will be a Discord channel, and our technology team will be asking for your help. This site is just in testing. It's not functional yet. Also, it has a very big limitation. It can only serve 25,000 site requests per month. So if you think about it, there are 20,000 people in the pre-registration. Everybody could only check one website per month. Like if you clicked, let's say, one click, it would already not work because it would run out of server bandwidth. So I think we will do the opposite of what we did with the onboarding, and this one we will just invite people slowly to join the website step by step, and we will moderate quite carefully to also make sure that that the quality is high. All right, that's it for the announcements. So let's recap. Today, during the class, we will be doing looping, lists, and methods. It's really exciting. After this, you can do practically everything and anything in Python. You'll have superpowers. Number two, or first announcement is, if you have ready your certification homework, which today will be the last set of exercises given to you, then for now, please use the help desk ticketing system and upload file for certification. That was the first announcement. Second announcement, we're looking for skilled engineers, both from within the community and the mentors, to help us set automation for GitHub permissioning to the private repos. As a nonprofit, we have signed up for GitHub education, so we have unlimited private repositories, and I believe practically unlimited users as well. So if you're familiar with this, please help us. And finally, we're looking for expert WordPress administrators to help us create a fully fledged learning portal. What this is using for the learning management system is LearnDash. For backups, we're using Updraft Plus, and for the friends and groups functionality, this is BBPress, and the skin itself is Buddy Boss. So if you're familiar with these, they all have fairly long learning curves because they are very mature plugins. Then please watch out on Discord for announcements and invitations. Thank you very much, and see you. If you're Gold or VIP member, then I'll see you for the live class at 10 o'clock British Standard Time and at 11 o'clock for the live Q&A. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, we will release the replay of the class for you around noon. Please look out for it, and I hope you're enjoying. And finally, we're thinking about closing the upgrades for the Gold and VIP memberships from do-it-yourself for a few weeks until maybe the JavaScript starts, because we want to make sure that at least those who have made it into the Gold and VIP will have access to us, the core team, and make sure that we work out the procedures and the community guidelines. So you will receive some emails if you're do-it-yourselfer about your options. Thank you so much. I hope you're learning a lot and you are making new friends. Check out the Discord channels country by country if there are countries that you are very excited about supporting. You don't have to be from that country. You can also come and support others. Thank you. Bye.